This is called the Convergence. It's a VTOL. Takes off vertical and landing. And then you just flip a switch and it turns into an airplane. Pretty cool. I'll be a few minutes getting it ready.
Plane's ready.
This has an onboard camera as well, but we're not going to hook it up today. We're just going to fly. Wait for the computer to catch up. Any second. This runs for about 3.5 to 4.5 minutes. And you'll see I don't need a runway, no wheels. Okay, I just want to make sure. Go into airplane mode. Now we're flying with forward thrust.
It is if you got a nice little backyard there. Just get yourself off the table. There you go. Even Ron.
That's quite cool, right, eh?
Sure different.
Yeah. A bird will take off. Yeah.
A flat spin for you. This is called a flat spin. And it fell out. As you can see, the tail rotor in the center and the back isn't working. When it's in airplane mode, that one shuts down. It's just a forward thrust on the two leading edge props.
First time here.
It's a fun airplane.
Oh yeah.
Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to convert back into a hover plane or a drone or whatever you want to call it. But I'll get it into the wind first, then I'll kick on. There it is. Now we're hovering again, just like a Harrier jump jet. Dude, if I had the onboard camera going, you could ride along with the airplane and see what it sees. Like as the pilot's point of view. Pretty neat.